All right, guys, welcome back to my estate video. The reasons, okay, not just one, many reasons why I choose estate is what I am going to discuss with you in this video. And after watching this video and after seeing all the proof that I want to share with you, and if you continue to sit on the fence, then there is nothing more I can, prove to you or show you to believe that this platform is one of the best platforms out there, right? But let me just share a few things with you just now so that you will understand the point I am trying to make. So it'll be really quick, but straight to the point. Okay, so I am going to share 4 key areas that made me to choose estate, right? Because I have been in this space for a long time and I have seen all the drills, right? I know the drills. I have seen everything that I needed to see in the online space, but estate has proven time and time again to be consistent, right? The only thing that is making people to jump from one platform to another platform is inconsistency, right? They are not consistent, those platforms. That is why we keep jumping from one to another one, from this one to another one. Tomorrow there will be thousands that is going to come out. You're going to try to get into that one because the one you joined previously is not consistent. But estate is different. They have maintained that consistency since July last year that at least I joined the platform, right? And I believe this consistency is going to be there for a very long time, right? That's all we need. I'm going to break it down furthermore and 4 bullet points on each of them to let you understand, in detail what I meant by saying consistency, awesome community where you can interact with people in the community, top leaders, the partners, everybody, even ordinary member, ordinary buyer, okay, that is not an agent. You can communicate with, the buyer, and the buyer will point you in the right direction if you are confused. The platform is trustworthy. Again, I am going to drive down this trustworthy in the next few slides, and its seamless operations is just out of this world, right? So consistency, seamless operations, if you add those two together plus trustworthiness, right? If you have those 3 in a platform, because I know that some platforms, they really don't keep community. When I mean they don't keep community, they don't have like a social media community where they communicate, but they have the rest of the key points here that I want to explain to you guys, right? So in terms of consistency, right, the platform has been working perfectly okay. Seamless deposit. There is no glitches on the website. The daily profits distribution is just awesome. There has been never a day that they failed to deposit that money in your back office. The withdrawal is seamless, and I'm going to show you examples of all of this, right? I'm not just going to be reading off slides. I will show you like real proof of all of this, right? No glitches, seamless deposit, seamless daily profit distribution, seamless withdrawal. And in terms of awesomeness of the community, we have the top leaders with great minds, amazing community members, and incredible webinars that they do on a daily basis. There is never a day in the week that there is no webinar in estate. Okay, so there is always Zoom meeting where they are presenting estate. Okay, I do my own private Zoom meetings as well with my team members. They have strong community support, right? This is great. This is what you want, right? You want a platform whereby you'll be able to go into the community, chat room and chat with people. They have it, right? So that's the point I'm trying to say, the reasons why I choose estate. The third one is trustworthiness, right? The platform is 100% trusted on tokenized real estate. If you go and Google, okay, estate, even tell your Alexa what estate is. Alexa will tell you that estate is the #1 tokenized real estate platform around the globe, right? If you have ChatGPT, go and type what is e-estate, okay, and then you will also know what I'm talking about. So 100% trusted platform on tokenized real estate. They are also reliable because they have blockchain proof. Okay, so that again is icing on the cake for anybody that is looking to join e-estate. For those of you that are already in e-estate, you may not even notice all of these things that I'm saying because the platform is working flawlessly, right? Sustainability, they have been sustainable for over 12 months, right? Recently they celebrated their 1 year anniversary in Washington DC, and you saw what happened there, right? And then the last one that I have to explain to you guys is the seamless operations. So number one, fantastic visual display in the back office. Everybody that is in e-estate knows this. If you go to your back office, you will see how powerful the display is, right? Easily adaptable interface. They can change and add and amend anything in the back office, and you will see the outcome in the front end, which is the one that we see, right? Great and efficient statistical data display. Again, the same thing. If you go into your team tree, if you want to check your team tree, which is your team members in your back office as an agent, you have your own agent dashboard. If you go into your agent dashboard, you will be able to see all the statistical data, okay, when your members join, how much they have deposited to purchase their property, the money that you are earning, everything is there. So they have very, very fantastic and efficient statistical data display. And the last one regarding seamless operations is they are very, very efficient. So all the transactions that we do in the back office is fast and smooth. That is the thing I like about e-estate. Now, let me show you proof because support all these claims that I am making, or to support my reasons. Okay, I want to show you the proof to support my reasons for choosing e-estate. As I said earlier in my presentation slides, right? Speed of light is the withdrawals. Daily profit, total confidence, that's what you get in e-estate, right? And not just this one, you can even start e-estate with as little as $10, guys, right? This is just awesome. This opportunity, if you go out of e-estate, you can't even start this kind of opportunity with even $500. I have seen platforms that you can start with $1,000, $2,000, but e-estate is giving every single person around the globe the opportunity to start the platform with as little as $10, right? So if you are looking to start e-estate today, you are more than welcome to get started after watching this video. Now, these screenshots that you are looking at, these are my actual withdrawal screenshots. Okay, this is not a screenshot taken from another person's account. These ones are my actual withdrawals, right, from my daily income. And this is made possible with e-estate. Without e-estate, I won't be able to make these withdrawals. And the good thing about the withdrawals in e-estate, as I said before, it is very fast, super fast. Your funds will be sent to your e-wallet within 24 hours. It's even less than that. 10, 15 minutes top, your money is there, right? So again, these are more withdrawals that I have done recently. As you can see, this was just done last month. This is over $4,158 that was withdrawn. And of course, I get paid. That money got deposited in my wallet within seconds. And this is another one, okay, that I have done. And of course, it just keep coming every day, right? And the good thing, again, that we have in the back office is they have this statistical data that shows you your daily profit of all the properties that they have, all the tokenized property they have in the back office. And right now, we are making just over 7.84%. Okay, and this is only for 1 day. Remember, only 1 day, and you are only able to make this 7.84% if you purchase fractions of each of these listed properties here. right? If you purchase fractions of each of these, you will be able to earn up to this 7.84%. But if you purchase, let's say you purchase only 3 or 4 properties, you purchase a fraction of each of these properties, only 4, just add the percentage. That is what you will get for that day. Don't get confused with this figure when you see 7.84% daily. This is as a result of owning a fraction of all the listed properties in estate. It's not everybody that is able to own fractions of all the real estate in estate. So for those that are not able to own the fractions of every properties they have, you will have less than 7% or 7.8%. All right. So this is great, to be honest. Again, this is my back office, the statistical data that I was telling you guys about. You can see all your commission that is being paid. You can see how much that you are earning. You can see your profit that is coming from your fractional real estate that you purchase, not just your commission. Because some people are thinking that when you come into estate, if you don't refer people, then you are not making money. That is wrong. Okay, that is a very, very wrong impression that you have about estate. You do not have to refer anybody to earn money in estate, to be honest, right? But if you do want to become an agent so that you will have your own referral link for you to be able to start, talking to people about estate, then of course you will be compensated by giving you commission. That's what it is. So that's extra money on top of your fractional real estate that you've purchased, that you are earning the rental income, passively on a daily basis. Okay, there are more pictures for me to show you, or screenshots for me to show you, that will prove the point I am trying to make, which is the reasons why I choose estate. Now, in estate, some people are getting confused with the days that we receive our profit. It is actually 5 days a week. You get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those 5 days in a week. That's when you get your daily income in estate. So it's only 5 days in a week. That is when you will receive your tokenized real estate income. And guys, this is just awesome. It is awesome. All right, guys. So these are the reasons why I choose estate, and I supported my reasons with proofs. Okay, you saw all the screenshots that I showed you now. Those are my true back office screenshots. All right, and I just want you guys to remember that everything in estate is good. Everywhere in estate is good, right? If you know this word, you know it, right? And the only thing I would recommend for anybody watching this video now is to register right away, get started today, and remember that I am here to guide you all through your journey in estate. Right? Don't forget that I am always available to support you in your journey. If you choose to become an estate member, I am available on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Messenger. You can also email me. And if you want to contact me on Facebook, go to my YouTube channel, go to the profile page of my YouTube channel. You will see my Facebook link. Click on my Facebook link. You will be able to chat with me there anytime, any day. So I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you guys for watching this video and, sharing with you the reasons why I choose estate. And I hope my reasons for choosing estate aligns with your own reasons for being in estate or for choosing to join estate today. So once more, finally, the link to join is below this video description. I will see you in my next estate video. Thank you.